What if I told you you don't need a gym, heavy weights, or 1 full hour to stay fit? Just 10 minutes a day at home can build strength, burn fat, and keep your body active. This is the 10-minute home workout that replaces the gym. Most people skip workouts because they think fitness needs time and equipment. But the truth is, your body only needs smart movement, not machines. This workout uses full-body exercises that activate multiple muscles at once. Always move at your own pace. If something feels painful, stop. Let's begin. Start with bodyweight squats. Squats work your legs, glutes, and core, the strongest muscles in your body. Lower slowly, stand tall, and breathe. Do this for 45 seconds. Next, push-ups. This exercise replaces chest machines, shoulder presses, and triceps workouts. You can do them on the floor or against a wall if you're a beginner. Move with control for 45 seconds. Now, march in place with high knees. This raises your heart rate, burns calories, and improves circulation. No jumping, just steady movement for 45 seconds. Time for your core. Hold a plank if you can, or do standing core twists. A strong core protects your back and improves posture. Hold for 35 seconds. Finish with arm circles. This strengthens shoulders, improves mobility, and relieves stiffness from sitting. Small circles, then big circles. 30 seconds. Take a deep breath. Stretch your body. Your workout is complete. You don't need a gym to stay strong. Just 10 minutes a day builds energy, confidence, and health. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and come back tomorrow